Hi guys, I'm Sarah.
And I'm Christine.
And we're the co-founders of Glow Recipe.
Because we've both worked in beauty for over a decade now, we've become familiar with just about every common skincare concern. Some are easy to treat on your own, but others can be really perplexing.
One concern that causes a lot of confusion in particular is milia. That's why today we're going to talk about what exactly milia is and how to prevent it and how to treat it.
So what is milia? Milia are tiny white bumps that form under the skin, most commonly around the eye and cheek area.
Even though these little bumps look like pimples, they're really very different. Milia can't be extracted like most acne can because they're keratin cysts that form just under the top layer of the skin.
Keratin is a protein that makes up the outermost layer of your skin, as well as your hair and nails. Additionally, milia can affect people of all ages and skin concerns, not just those with a certain skin type.
So now that we know what milia are, what causes them?
Most often, milia are formed by a buildup of dead skin cells that get trapped under the top layer of your skin. They can also form as a result of product that's not being absorbed properly, and that's especially a risk for the skin in the eye area.
These little white bumps can also form in response to trauma, either from a burn or laser peel, or sometimes from poor hygiene habits or lack of regular exfoliation. Unfortunately, they can also appear for no obvious reason, which can make them so challenging to treat.
But the good news is that in many cases, milia are known to disappear on their own. Sometimes if they're close enough to the surface, they'll get pushed out over the course of weeks or even months. So if your milia aren't bothering you, you can always leave them alone and hope they get resolved on their own.
In the instance you're not willing to wait for them to just go away, there are ways to treat them and prevent new milia from forming. First and foremost, we want to note that you cannot and should not try to pop your milia.
If you're interested in extractions, make sure you go to a board-certified dermatologist. They will most likely extract the milia by making a small incision at the top of the bump with a sterile tool and then gently remove them. This is definitely something you don't want to do on your own because squeezing milia could cause more damage.
You can, however, take preventative measures to keep them at bay. If you're prone to milia in the eye area, it's incredibly important to make sure the products you're using around your eyes are specifically formulated for that area. If they're not, then they won't absorb properly, and that's when milia can appear. To keep skincare products, makeup, and oil from clogging your pores, it's also important to make sure that you're thoroughly cleansing your skin every single night. This is why we love our Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser, because it removes makeup, deep cleanses, and exfoliates all in one formula.
Retinol is also amazing at both fighting and preventing milia. Retinol works at the cellular level to increase the skin cell turnover. So when it's a regular part of your routine, it can help prevent the buildup of dead skin cells that can cause milia in the first place.
That's one of the reasons why we included encapsulated retinol in our new avocado melt retinol eye sleeping mask. Not only is it ophthalmologist approved and specifically formulated for the eye area, but it's a great eye product for anyone who has or is prone to milia that may be caused by other eye creams.
Regular exfoliation will also help prevent milia. We love to incorporate gentle AHAs into our skincare routines, which work at the surface level to buff away dead skin cells and prevent dead skin buildup. For milia on the cheeks, we recommend using our Watermelon Glow mask and Pineapple Seed Bright Serum for a gentle dose of AHAs. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you learned something about how to treat and prevent milia. If you have any additional questions, leave them in the comments below.
And don't forget to like and subscribe.
Get your glow on!